morning friends, myself Saishlok Sarse. Today I am explaining you the parts of cell. Let's draw. Friends, this is an animal cell. This is nucleus. Nucleus controls the cell. Hence it can be called as the brain of cell. This is endoplasmic reticulum. These are rhizomes. There are factories to produce proteins. Nucleus sends the certain chemical chains containing formula to rhizome. These are Golgi body. Is the powerhouse of the cell. So friends, we have seen that the parts of cell, their names, their structure, etc. Then what is cell? The cell is basic structural and functional unit of our body. Thank you.